On March the 11th, 2011, Japan was hit by a 9.0 magnitude earthquake off the northeastern coast, followed by a massive tsunami that generated waves up to 40 meters high. The earthquake and tsunami caused widespread devastation, including the meltdown of the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. This disaster resulted in over 15,000 deaths and more than 2,500 people missing. Fukushima Daiichi suffered a nuclear meltdown, resulting in one of the two largest nuclear disasters in history. After Chernobyl, thousands of residents were evacuated from the surrounding areas due to the risk of radiation exposure.